Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Ziggy donut cake at home. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a donut pan thoroughly. Combine dry ingredients, whisk wet ingredients, then fold together until smooth but not overmixed. Portion batter into rings and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool completely before decorating. I'll guide you through coloring, piping Ziggy stripes, and glazing to achieve a cheerful, professional finish. Start by creaming butter with sugar until pale and fluffy to create a tender crumb. Add eggs slowly, beating after each addition for structure. Alternate adding dry ingredients with milk to keep batter smooth and prevent overmixing. Divide batter into bowls and tint with food coloring to create your Ziggy palette. Use a small scoop for consistent donut rings. Bake at 350 degrees F until centers spring back and edges are lightly golden. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's black ice is my go-to for masking kitchen odors when transporting baked goods home, and it smells terrific in an oven-scented dashboard moment. It's a small, fun addition that keeps your car fresh after a baking day. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cool donuts fully on a wire rack before glazing to avoid runny patterns. Create a thick glaze and separate into bowls, tinting each with vibrant colors for the Ziggy effect. Pipe alternating stripes across the donut, then drag a toothpick to create a playful marbled look. Allow glaze to set at room temperature for about 15 minutes before adding sprinkles. These simple steps will give your donut cake a professional, colorful finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.